A very good morning to all of you. On behalf of Jagannath International Management School, Kalkaji, I welcome you all to this national seminar on marketing for small and medium-sized enterprises, role, challenges, and future of entrepreneurial marketing. In a developing country like India, the role and importance of small-scale industries is very significant towards poverty eradication, employment generation, rural development, and creating regional balance in promotion and growth of various departmental activities. It is estimated that this sector has been contributing about 40% of the gross value of output produced in the manufacturing sector, and generation of employment by the small-scale sector is more than 5 times than that of a large-scale sector. To deliberate further on the topic, we have eminent speakers today amongst us to bring forward the pertinent issues confronting the market, the consumer, and the role played by entrepreneurs today. I take this opportunity to welcome our guest of honor for the day, Dr. Rishi Raj Singh, Director Training, Nisbet, Dr. Satish Seth, Director General, GIMS Kalkaji, Dr. Timira Shukla, HOD, PGDM IB, faculty members, students, and our distinguished guests. I take immense pleasure in welcoming you all. I would now like to request Kalyani to welcome our guest of honor, Dr. Rishi Raj Singh, with a bouquet of flowers. I request Shweta to welcome our esteemed Director General, Dr. Commander Satish Seth, with a bouquet. I once again request Gautami to welcome our HOD, Dr. Timira Shukla, with a bouquet of flowers. I would like to take this opportunity to introduce him to you all. Professor Satish Seth is currently Director General, GIMS Kalkaji, New Delhi. He is a postgraduate mechanical engineer with fellowship of IMA, Institution of Engineers, and Institute of Marine Engineers. He is an MBA from FMS Delhi University. His doctorate is in the field of organizational behavior. An HR and strategy specialist, he has many publications to his credit, include research papers in employee motivation, role efficiency, strategic communication, and a book on corporate strategy. He also conducts joint workshops in association with PhD Chamber of Commerce and FICCI in areas of personality development, team building, motivation, and leadership. As a consulting engineer, he has been a technical advisor to Rolls-Royce Limited and has undertaken several project assignments for ACB France, Danfoss UK, L&T, Kirloskar, Cummins and Reeves Limited. I invite Sir for the welcome address.
Thank you, Sanjila. Our chief guest for today, Dr. Singh, HOD, Timira, senior faculty members, and our guest for the seminar, Mr. Vivek. Dear students, good morning.
Good morning.
That's how we start the morning. Okay, I think today once again, this is one of a series of events which we organize for the benefit of our students. And we've already had the seminar in entrepreneurship, we've had the seminar in HR, which was with the ISTD, and today we have the marketing seminar. It will be followed in March with the finance seminar. So in each of the functional areas we have these seminars, in addition to the other events like the conference, the and the workshops, etc., which we organize with the national organizations. And as you are aware, the international conference is round the corner. It's on the 13th of February, that is next Saturday, which is in partnership with the PhD Chamber of Commerce and Industry, the Konrad Adenauer Stiftung, Germany, and we have Business World this year also as a partner for this conference. So that will be an excellent exposure. We've got international speakers coming and who will be participating in the conference. We are having a professor from Westminster University, London, Dr. Jane Chang. Then we've got Esther Martinez. She's a Spanish lady who's done a PG course in management at the ISB in Hyderabad. Now she's an entrepreneur and she's looking after the editor-in-chief of the People Matters. It's a HR magazine, very popular in the country. And then of course we've got Ron McLuckie, he's a New Zealander and he's chairman and he's CEO of the WIAL India. And then of course we've got Ineas Hendrik, and all these international speakers. In addition to that, of course, we've got a lot of entrepreneurs who are going to be gracing the occasion. We've got people from Snapdeal, we've got people from Paytm, etc. And the chief of course, unfortunately, ministers have no time for us today. So though we were keen to have the Minister for Entrepreneurship and Skill Development, but he is not available. So we got the President of the Chamber, who also is an entrepreneur, a successful entrepreneur in his own right, Dr. Mahesh Gupta. He's Chairman and CEO of Kent RO Systems. I'm sure you've heard of Kent.
Yes, sir.
It's synonymous with the famous movie star. What's her name?
Madhuri.
You know more about it than I do. So she's the ambassador for Kent RO Systems. And then of course we've got the Micromax founder and director. Rajesh Gupta is one of the guests of honor at the inaugural session. And then of course we've got the editor-in-chief and CEO of Business World. He's the other guest of honor. So we've got a galaxy of people out there, and you're going to be really have the benefit of their expertise and their experience. So it'll be a good exposure for you chaps when you go there next Saturday. But coming back to this seminar, we're indeed extremely happy to have Dr. Singh here with us. He was telling me about his career, a very checkered career. He's been in the government, he's been in, Unisbert, he's been with, since 1988, he said. So that tells you of the volume and richness and depth of the experience he's had in this particular field. And we've been discussing about what further ways, that we can think about as far as GIMS and Unisbert are there to, further take on this relationship which we have developed. Or rather renewed today. We did have a relationship with them about 10 years back, where we had workshops and faculty development programs. And we're happy he is here today with us, which signals more to come, in the future. And hopefully we have a MOU with them, which clearly spell out the events for this particular next calendar year that we're able to engage in with them jointly. So he's here today, and as you're aware, and what I mentioned to you about the international conference, the topic there, of course, is on entrepreneurship as well, which is a focus area, throughout the country. Our Prime Minister is fond of it, he's focused on it, and there's new direction now for the Ministry of Entrepreneurship and Skill Development. And Unisbert also comes under the Ministry of Entrepreneurship and Skill Development. So a lot of focus on it. We have Sanjila here looking after the eCell. We expect there'll be more members enrolled now. And Unisbert has also been kind enough to associate with us in opening an incubator here. So they've helped us do that. So this open up a lot of opportunities for you chaps. I know some of you are keen to, when you pass out, to get into your own ventures. And as we always assure you, if there are others amongst you, who with the capacity to think, with the capacity to ideate, to create, etc., we'll help you in developing a business plan. Sanjila is there to hold your arm. We'll put you in touch with the entrepreneurs in the corporates, with Unisbert, etc., who will be able to give you guidance to develop a feasible, practical and pragmatic business plan. And then of course, GIMS is always there to hold your hand and provide the seed money in case the funding issues are there to begin with. So there's a whole lot of facility which is going to be provided. It's going to be created here in the form of an incubator, and we hope that a lot of you will be actually partaking of it and making use of it. Okay. All it requires, we can't force it on you. If you don't have that orientation, we can only develop the awareness. We can try and motivate you, encourage you to head in that direction. Not that we have any issues with our campus placements. We get full placements every year, and it has been going on from strength to strength. Last year, this year itself, we've had students placed in Dubai with one of the firms, Khimji, at 14 lakhs package. So that's been improving every year. The average salary has been improving. But this is a good alternative. There's a satisfaction which is involved in taking up the challenging of starting something yourself, with the initial struggle and thereafter the satisfaction with years as you make it into a successful venture. It's like, saying you want to climb Everest. Okay, is that an example? Okay, one of the smaller peaks to begin with, and then you actually take on that task, that challenge, and then you go on top of it and you sort of put in your mark or your flag there, and there's a world of opportunity that you realize suddenly, and what you can make of yourself. Anyway, without taking more of, we're going to get this seminar going now. So I think we're indeed grateful once again to our chief guest here, Dr. Singh, for coming here, sparing his time and being with us today. And then kickstart this inaugural session, we kickstart the rest of the sessions for this seminar.